We're doing here, eh? Oh yes, cruising t-shirts. Now these are from the SBM Park Club, and we have a cruise over at Chapter over there in Milford. You can join myself every Wednesday night. It's a great cruise.
Cameron here.
On their behalf, and we've got 3 of our t-shirts to give away. Nice. And they're extra large too. They're real nice shirts. And we'll see you there on Wednesdays. Come on, stop by Cap Discount Auto in Milford. 859-1707. 859-1707. You got a brand new wardrobe.
I know, I've never been there.
859-1707. You got a winner? Come on. 1707 for the 3 t-shirts. We'll wait for that person to come up. 1707, you're a winner. All right, what's next, gang? All right, this is a Red Line Garner t-shirts, 2 sets, size XL. Help us out, man, with the flowers on the shirt there. Was that a winner? Yes, please. Thank you very much. Hope you're having a good time. Red Line Diner, 1276, 859-1276. We got a winner? You got one t-shirt here from the Red Line Diner? Which one do you have, sir? 1707. This guy won the Cap Discount Auto triple pack here. Yeah. There you go, sir. Congratulations. We'll see you up there on Wednesday nights. That's 1707. That's done. That's that one there. No one came for that one yet. Okay, we have a McGuire's Quick Care Automotive Detailing Kit. And this is going to be a winner. Let's see, from Bram's Rods. We thank you for taking our ticket. 859-1432.